Welcome to Vridhi Finance. We are presenting GMP predictions for TVS Supply Chain Solutions Limited by Vridhi Finance. Dear viewers and investors, as we see, this company is quite good with their fundamentals. We will come back to you very soonly. Probably during the Diwali, we will start making videos about company portfolio. Means during Diwali it will get released it, but wait and watch for that, because wherever we go, wherever we start finding out the details, yes, that is quite time taking process, and that's the reason we are not concentrating on that. Like last year we have given IPO details under, there is a company portfolio is also there, but this time we will work out on their current market strategy and whether they have launched their IPO. So it will, for you will find the differentiation between both, not differentiation, sorry, you will find differences what they have given as to the market, and what is the fact or where currently right now they are existing at the end of this year. You will find all those videos every weekend, probably every Sunday we will release it, or yeah, like that we will do some side some kind of simultaneous periods, like weekly or monthly, or not monthly basically, but yes, absolutely weekly, because monthly if we will start, then at the beginning of the month we have to launch somewhere 52 videos, which is quite time taking. Not only that, but also it's really taking a lot of time, and do some sort of research also. So guys, here we go for the GMP predictions for TVS Supply Chain Solutions Limited by Vridhi Finance. Very soonly you will have so much amount of knowledge about this company, probably in the November, I guess so. So here is the IPO detail of TVS Supply Chain Solutions. This issue has got open upon the 10th of August. It has closed on 15th of August, and their time to apply from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Yes, absolutely. If you see, their band of pricing is 187 rupees to 197 rupees per equity share. Face value RE1, ticket size RE1, bid lot 76 equity shares and their multiple of, and maximum order quantity is also 2 lakhs rupees for subscription for retail investor. Maximum bid amount QIB investor 2 lakhs. No, it's wait. Basically they have given in different scenario. Usually we have seen differences in NIB and QIB, and here is literally given they have a good amount of criteria. So IPO market timings is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book running lead managers are JM Financial Limited, Axis Capital Limited, JP Morgan India Limited, BNP Paribas, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited, Equirus Capital Private Limited. Sponsor banks are Axis Banks Limited and Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited. So here we goes the details. Basically we have extracted from consolidated report from both the exchanges, and the subscription for this IPO is 1.35 number of total meant for the category from qualified institutional buyers, that is QIB. And if you see literally as there are number of companies as a lead managers, book running lead managers not showing any sort of interest over here. So 2.35 number non-institutional investor, 2.30 non-institutional investors, a number of total meant for the category. 2.46 non-institutional investors bid amount more than 2 lakhs rupees up to 10 lakh rupees. 7.61 is from a retail individual investors has subscribed this IPO, and yes, absolutely, the totally this IPO got subscribed 2.78 number of total mint for the category as of now. So, dear viewers, as we say, this company is having good grassroots, etc., etc. Their book running lead managers even are having a lot of potential, but this IPO has got subscribed very less. It's not because they are so looking for an investment from the market is totally double, triple, or 8 times more. Not 8 times more, but at least twicely more than everybody. So this is having, they are looking for big amount of investment from the market itself. So the price target here, we can say the discount price you will get on the day of listing probably around 160 rupees to 175 rupees, or you will have to wait for next. If you are not applied for this IPO, you have to wait for next 2 months according to us. So suppose this company give you listing gain over here with their, see, everybody says that investors, not only people looking for investors, the people who do the business, the investment comes from their bloods. Okay, they do hard work, they do lot of thing, and then invest their own money even. So here we go, if they have invested in this company a lot, then yes, it is a group of company according to us. Basically, if you see, not we will come back to you later about that detail. So minimum INR on the day of listing probably 215 rupees, or maximum INR it can goes to 235 to 200, and probably might be 60 rupees. Okay, so this is our GMP prediction for TVS Supply Chain Solutions Limited by Vridhi Finance. So if you see, this company probably or might be as like Paytm. So if you see, I believe it, when Paytm has IPO open up into the market, they are having good amount of potential. The differences between both, that Paytm is a startup and that is so-called payment gateway. But here if we see vehicles, TVS supply chain is related to automobile industry. So, and apart from there, this company might be give, if this company will give you good listing, means at least listing gains up to certain amount, then absolutely it will goes down again. Okay, so if you are waiting to go from SIP or to go from long-term investment prospective growth, then you have to wait. Don't rush for listing gain. Okay, so discount offer might be given by this company, but probably this will not give you discount offer in case they have a strong their values towards their investors. Then they will give you listing gain, and on the listing gain onwards, they maybe gives stability. Basically, they will give you flat trend over here for their share, or they will give you deep down trending, means it's a downswing. Okay, So this is our predictions. We will watch it for next month about what TVS supply chain solution share will perform the market. So wait for next month, first week, first day. Thank you by Vridhi Finance. Yes, absolutely. I believe it. In the whole year, there is no IPO has launched. Recently, one of the print media has talked about one of the biggest group into the market. They are getting clean chit. I believe it 75% they are giving a clean chit to that businessman, which really give what thunderstorm to the market. So we will not disclose the name. Everybody knows it. If the news is released, it. So happy Independence Day. Anyways, independence to think, independence to do. But here we can't see any independence over here in the sense of. Somewhere it is like arbitrage. Anyways, guys, we are not going to say something like that. It's who wanted to decode it and comment into the comment box. Who wanted to comment into the comment box what we are talking. And yes, absolutely. Before election, there are number of cases will be get solved by so many leaderships in the sense of related to stock exchanges. We are not talking about the leadership across India. So Vridhi Finance will not argue with anybody because everybody do the business for with their own ethics, with their own ways. And yes, everybody beats each other in the competition. So we will say one another way. Someone get exposed, someone didn't get exposed into the market. The person who didn't get exposed is the leader of the year, and the person who's get exposed might be talk of the town and with the free publicity. I mean to say, it's not a free publicity. Basically, and that person will know whole year or the years of years. Like the people talk like 1992, whatever happened in the market, and probably 2022 till 2023 happen in the market, and it can talk during even next 10 years. So anyways, if we see there are number of things comes across under this section, under that section, but if you vary from one businessman to another businessman, their section has changed. Anyways, happy Independence Day. Probably this week you get a lot of holidays, I guess so, due to bank holidays. So enjoy your holidays with your family. Have a happy Independence Day, and yes, happy Tuesday too. Tuesday, and relax with your family. Go for shopping. Bye bye.